EGC plus MON plus SEO is equal 99% PI. Don't worry, this is not a physics or math lesson. I'm here to show you the secret formula of success online, how to make money, how to make passive income online with this secret formula. This video is really so interesting. Stay tuned and follow up with me. Hi everyone, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm really so excited to publish this awesome new video about the secret formula of turning your online business into almost 100% passive income. Let's start first. What do we mean by passive income? Passive income simply is you plant the seeds today, the seeds of your online business, and like after a couple of months, after 1 year, your income will be automated. You can sleep, you can travel, you can do whatever you want, and every month automatically money will come into your bank account or into your pocket. So this is the power of working online, is to work smart and turn your online business into passive income. What is the formula? EGC plus MON plus SEO is equal to 99% PI, which is passive income. Before we go and start explaining this formula and see how it practically works, I'll give you some examples from my own business. Don't forget, please, if you like such videos, more videos about online marketing, digital marketing, online business, making money online, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel, turn on notifications and like the video to get every new update almost every day. So let's start together and see what this formula means, how you can apply this formula in your business or start your business with this formula and be successful online. So let's start with EGC. Simply it stands for evergreen content. What is evergreen content? Simply it's a content that you publish and it can stand for a long time. What this means? Let's give a direct example. Let's say you published an article about weight loss or about food or diet and such topics. These topics are characterized that they are a long-term topics and ideas. Why? Because 10 years ago, people were searching for weight loss. Today, people are searching for weight loss. After 10 years, people will search for weight loss. So when you publish an article about this topic can last for a long time. And what this means, that if you add the second part of the formula, which is MON, which stands for monetization, and monetize this content today, so you publish an article today, it's an evergreen article, and you monetize this article, you will keep making money for years. And this is the power of evergreen content. You see? So we create evergreen content and we monetize this content. Then you turn this into passive income. That's simple. You understood the idea? Now we have two types of evergreen content, two types of EGC. We have a very long-term content ideas and we have like small term ideas like 1 or 2 years. Let's give two examples. The first example is like about weight loss. This content idea will last for maybe 10 or 20 years, so it's like 100% passive for the next 20 years on your website. While other topics like maybe the top 20 microphones in 2020, this will last maybe for 1 year or maybe 2 years only. So we have two types of evergreen content, very long lasting content, and we have a couple of years lasting content. Both works perfectly, and I will give you now examples of both in my business. So now we understood what is EVC, EGC, evergreen content, and what is MON, which is monetizing the content. Now when we say content, what do we mean by content? Simply we have three main types. You can write articles on your blog about a certain topic. You can create YouTube videos or you can publish online tools. I will give you also examples about the 3 types of content in my business. I have the 3 types and I implement the 3 types, and I will show you the power of this strategy in your business. If you apply it today, you will turn this business after like a couple of months into 100% passive income. So let's start with the first example. The first example is from my YouTube channel. I told you we have the first type, blog content or YouTube videos. So this is a YouTube video I published about 1 year ago. You can see this is the graph of views. It's always getting views. I published 1 year ago and I still earn subscribers, earn money and earn views almost every day from this video without doing anything. I published it 1 year ago and it will keep getting views and money like maybe a couple of years from now. So this is the power of evergreen content. I know this type of videos may not be the perfect type of evergreen because maybe it will last a couple of years only and not a long-term evergreen content like weight loss or so on. But this is my business. I'm showing you examples from my business. To be honest with you, I want to show you a direct example from what I do. So this is a video published 1 year ago and still getting views till today, getting money and everything. I have tens of examples of videos like this on my channel. Another one, like, let's search for IIS, I think this video. This course I published, I think, let's see, analytics. I published in August 23 also. Sorry, let's say since published, since uploaded. I published it in November 2018, you see? And you can see number of views. I get views almost every day. Let's see the reach. You can see I have views almost every day from this video. So this is another example of a free video I published on YouTube and it generates for me every day new subscribers, new leads, new views and money passively, 100% passive income. You see, these 2 examples from my YouTube channel on how to make money passively with evergreen content. Let's go now to my blog. Another example, if you go here to my blog, you see I published like this video here, how I moved from $1,000 to $10,000 in 18 months working online, a case study. I think this article will last at least 5 years. In this article, you will see that I monetized it. Now this time not with ads. I monetized it by promoting my other courses, my services, and by affiliate marketing. So if you watched my affiliate marketing videos, you know that one of the best ways to promote affiliate marketing links is to create content. So in this blog article, I added affiliate links. If you read it, you will find some affiliate links. So in this way, this post is an evergreen article that will last a couple of years and I am monetizing it with my products and with affiliate links. So when I say MON in the formula monetization, it can be monetization with ads, with Google AdSense, like in my YouTube channel. It can be affiliate marketing links. It can be different monetization techniques. I explain them all here on my channel in my 5 new ways to monetize your website. You can check in the description below. Anyway now, so these are 2 examples. One is from my blog and one is from my YouTube channel. The third example I told you about is publishing an online tool. My tool I publish is called H Super Tools. I think you know it. If you don't know, just go now to hsupertools.com and you will see this awesome platform for free SEO and digital marketing tools. Let's go and open any tool. Let's say keyword research tool here. You will notice in this website, I have these ads. All these ads are affiliate links. Here I'm promoting SEMrush. Here I'm promoting email validation service. Here is a ClickFunnels. Here is web hosting. Here is GetResponse. All these are affiliate products I'm promoting in my website. Now it comes the big question. You will ask now, okay, I published my article or my YouTube channel or my tool online, but I have no visitors. I don't know how to get visitors. Here it comes the third part of the equation, which is SEO. In the equation, we said that we want to turn this business into 99% passive income. So when you start in your online business in this field, in content creation, in YouTube or in your blog, in your tool, whatever, the first step is to get traffic manually. You can do automated traffic from the first day. So you have now two strategies to work on. The first one is to get traffic manually. How? Is to follow my 7 tactics of getting traffic for free. It's a full video here on my channel, you can watch it. I showed you exactly how you can get thousands of visitors from the first day. It's a short video explaining 7 tactics. Go please and watch it to learn how to get traffic to your websites if you don't know how. Anyway, what we want in this video is to turn our business into passive income. So we don't want to go every day and do some hard work in getting traffic, like maybe 1 or 2 hours every day. So how to do this? As I told you, plus SEO. What is SEO? Simply it's search engine optimization. What is this? It's simply getting traffic from Google, organic traffic. As an example, if you go now to Google, let's open Google and let's search as an example for super email sender as an example, you will see that my website will be on top of Google for this keyword. So in this way, I'm getting free traffic from Google. I explained this in detail in my SEO mini course here on my channel, how to get traffic for free from Google. Please refer to it, it's a step-by-step guide. Anyway, so the idea is to make your website get traffic for free from Google organically on the long term with SEO. If you go to my search console here, my performance, to see this is my website at Super Tools, the free tools, online tools. You will see the last 28 days I got 8,000.7 clicks from Google. These are free visits directly from Google. I don't do anything. All those people, all those users are coming from Google without doing anything. So this is the power of passive online business. You publish a tool, you optimize it, it's an evergreen content, you get organic traffic from Google, and you go and sleep, and you will see money in your bank account without doing anything. This is the power of this formula, this awesome formula. If you go to my main website, let's go to educate, we're educate.com. Let's click here. You can see 6,000 clicks without doing anything from Google. This is the power of SEO when it's combined with monetization and evergreen content. This is the best formula you can apply today. You can start today to really build a smart passive income online business and make money while you sleep. Just as a small motivation, I want to show you my earnings that are coming from this awesome system, the evergreen system, the autopilot system. You can see now in AdSense here, this month I have around $3,000 coming into my bank account in 21. It's almost today. So if you go to my YouTube channel here, if you go to my channel dashboard, you will see the last 28 days I have around $4,000 revenue from YouTube. This is passive. Just focus with me, it's really perfect. If you apply it correctly, you will do the same as me and make 100% passive income and live a happy life with your family without worrying about anything every month. So you can maybe work on improving your business, work on other businesses, maybe play with your kids, do whatever you want, and see your income coming automatically every month into your bank account. If you want also to learn about affiliate marketing and see my passive income formulas, you can check my affiliate marketing playlist here on my channel. Don't forget, please subscribe now to get every new update, and please, if you want to support me, like this video. See you later.